Alright, so whirlpool microwave, it coming on, everything working, but you're not getting no heat. Alright, so one problem is that you're not getting heat is because it could be the capacitor gone, right? It could be the magnetron, it could be the high voltage diode. Alright, so one of them three things could be the problem why your microwave is not heating. It's coming on and working but not heating, right? So first thing first, I will test the magnetron. Right, so I'll look for continuity in the magnetron. Alright, so I'll put the multimeter on and looking for continuity, right? Alright, so again reading, right? So to check for continuity on this, it has two terminals on the magnetron, right? 1, 2. Right, so put in one probe on one terminal and then put the other probe on the other terminal. Alright, so again continuity. So this is what you want. You're looking for this, right? So this part working. Now you have to check to see if you are short in the magnetron. So to check that, you take one probe and put it on the terminal, and then take the other probe and touch it towards the body. Okay, so you see that reading? You don't want this. You don't want the continuity. Anytime you get that reading, it's because something wrong with this. This have a short, right? And then check the other terminal, and check the body again, and it's still getting a reading, right? So you don't want this. So this magnetron is good. Like one of the reasons why the microwave is working by not heating. Magnetron, right? And to show you that this working, I will show you how to test this. Right, so you're taking this. Now the two probe, touching the two terminals together, you will get a reading. Alright, so you get a reading. And then you're leaving one probe on one of the terminals, and then touching the body of the magnetron, and there's no continuity, right? There's no reading. Now take the probe and touch it on the other terminal, right? I touch it on the body of the magnetron, and there's no reading. So this working. Alright, and this one spoiled, so you can see you're getting a reading. It's still getting a reading. Right, so that's one of the reasons why a microwave oven it coming on and working but not heating, because of the magnetron. Alright, so I will change the magnetron. I remove the old one and put in the new one. Alright, so thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.